I be so sick, you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day. I feel blessed. I hope you all feel blessed as well. So, on my way to Syokimau, Mombasa Road. You guys actually know that Mombasa Road, there's a part of Mombasa Road that's in Syokimau, so that's where I'm headed to. Like, check out some stuff, and then I go back home. So, I want to take you guys with me and show you what I'm going to do. Maybe some of you might want whatever I'm going to check out. So, yes, come with me as we go check out whatever I'm going to check. Yes, see you guys. So guys, this is where I was coming. This place is called Sheffield. It's a place where you can get commercial kitchenware. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to film Sheffield because they have a rule whereby they do not allow cameras inside. So, and I was doing window shopping around, so I found this other place on Google and decided to go check it out. So I know by now you're probably wondering, what was she looking for? So I was looking for potato cutters, cookers, refrigerators, what do we call it? Just everything you'll find in the kitchen that's commercial. That's what I was looking for. Plates, serviette holders, just literally everything that's needed to open up a new restaurant. That's what I was looking for. So I was just doing window shopping. I was exploring my options because you just can't settle with one shop. I might settle with the first shop that I find, then I get a better deal. So that's what I was doing. I was shopping around, looking at their prices and the quality of their products. So yeah. This shop is located along Mombasa Road, somewhere next to Capital Center. I don't know if you guys know Capital Center. So after checking their stuff, I decided to head to Westlands because I found another shop on Google. So I decided to go check out their stuff. It was located in a certain mall. I don't remember the name of the mall because, you know, sometimes you go to places and they don't allow you to record like the entrance, but when you get inside, maybe the owner of the shop allows you to record. So I didn't get to record the outside, so that's why I don't remember the name of the mall. So yeah, let's go. Honestly, I don't get the point of having an expressway if there's still traffic at the exit, you know. This Museum Hill exit, oh my god, it normally has lots of traffic. You could stay there for an hour or two just waiting to exit. Yeah, finally we managed to exit and head to Westlands. Another thing, I don't know why there's always so much traffic in Westie. Jamani,
I think everyone wakes up and goes to Westlands. Everybody in Nairobi, literally everyone in Nairobi. So this was the mall I was talking about earlier. I don't know if you guys saw the name written on the entrance. I don't know. Maybe you can pause and check if you're interested. So this other shop had really nice stuff. I feel like their products were looking more brand new than the ones that I had seen in the other shops. So yeah. And these ones, they actually had like literally everything. They even had like a certain place where they've put setups on how you can set your table, your seats in your restaurant. I think I really tried filming because there was lots of people around, so I didn't want to show their faces. That's why you can see like my camera is a bit tilted facing downwards, so that's why you can see like the upper part of the video. I was just focusing on the products because there were lots of people like walking around looking at the stuff, so I didn't want to film anybody. I didn't want to interfere with anybody's privacy. So yeah, these ones had like lots of products. I don't know, I just felt like they had like literally everything that you would need. They had food warmers, and they just had everything. Hey, these things are so expensive. Tell me why this cooker costs like around 450,000 plus. And it's literally the smallest cooker they have. Like if you're looking for something commercial, because it has a grill, it's electric, fully electric. It has a grill and some like 3 banners. Oh, they were so expensive. And there's one which has like a grill, banners, and a shade. I don't know how to explain it anyway. So we decided to end our search there. Don't ask me who is we, just know it's we. We decided to end our search there. Then we went to Sarit Center for lunch. I found this restaurant on TikTok and we decided to go check it out and try their food. It was new at that time when we were going there. So yeah, we decided to give it a shot. And one thing about Sarit Center, if you don't know it so well, utapotea, you'll get lost so many times. You'll find yourself in the basement, you find yourself on, I don't know, the 3rd floor. You'll just get lost until you find the place where you're going to. And the security guards, I think they also don't know the directions.
Hey guys, so after running the errands, tumekuja place inaitwa Summer Lounge iko hapa Sarit Center. We want to have late lunch. It's 3 and I've ordered salmon with mashed potatoes, obviously. So I ordered mango juice because I'm not feeling like drinking a cocktail or a mocktail. So I ordered mango juice, and let me tell you, this mango juice is a 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. You can taste that it's very organic, alafu ni tamu. I think penny because it's mango season. It's really good. I'm about to have like 5 glasses of mango juice. So yeah, when the food gets here, I'm gonna show you guys. Yep, and I'm gonna show you how the restaurant looks like. Hapo mbele mbele inakaa poa. If you get time, just come to Summer Lounge. Iko ground floor Sarit Center, and their prices are very affordable. Very affordable. Like most of the restaurants that I've been to, salmon is always around 3,000 to 4,000, but here it's 2,900 for salmon. So you know, salmon is very expensive. I don't know why inakwanga expensive. Anyways, I'll show you guys the location. Make sure you come here if you have a birthday or you just want to go hang out somewhere nice. Come here, and the view is amazing. Just look at that. Na nimekaa huku nje. I'll show you guys how it looks like inside.
After lunch, we passed by Kitukali. I don't know if you guys have heard of Kitukali or have been there. Kitukali is a Kenyan brand that makes t-shirts, shirts, tops, crop tops, hoodies, shoes, handbags, tote bags, what do we call, bucket hats, customized mugs that are African printed, like they have an African print on it. You know, they have jackets, booty shorts. These booty shorts? No, they're not booty shorts. I don't know what they are, but they're shorts, and they look so nice. So it had started raining randomly, and I decided to go grab a hoodie, and I bought an extra one because I liked it.